How to fix Dynamics 365 app for Outlook is missing. There are several possible reasons why Dynamics 365 app for Outlook is missing. Here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot the issue. Check if you have the required security role and privileges to use the app. You need to have the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook user role or equivalent permissions. Check if your mailbox is configured with server-side synchronization for incoming and outgoing email. You can do this by going to Settings, Email Configuration, Mailboxes, and selecting your mailbox. Make sure the server profile is set to a valid profile and the test and enable mailbox status is successful. Check if the app is deployed to your mailbox. You can do this by going to Settings, Dynamics 365 app for Outlook and looking for your name in the list of eligible users. If you don't see your name, click Add App to Outlook and follow the instructions. Check if the app is enabled in Outlook. You can do this by going to File, Options, Add-ins and looking for Dynamics 365 app for Outlook in the list of active add-ins. If you don't see it, click Go Next to Manage, Add-ins and make sure the box next to Dynamics 365 app for Outlook is checked. Check if there are any errors or issues with the app. You can do this by using the Outlook Checker tool to run a diagnostic check and scan for potential issues. You can also use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to diagnose and fix common problems. If none of these steps resolve your issue, you may need to contact your administrator or Microsoft Support for further assistance.